30 seconds. All right, and I will look for the file. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, Foster versus Moss. Counsel, state your appearances, please.
Yeah, for plaintiff, Your Honor, good morning. Michael Corelli.
C-A-R-E-L-L-I.
Thank you.
That's correct. It's not an Irish name.
No.
Good morning, Allison Lizette, appearing on behalf of Defendant Liberty Mutual.
L-A-Z-E-T-T-E.
Yep, got that. Thank you.
Okay, so looks like a couple of motions. Motion to deem requests for admission admitted.
Your Honor, we dismissed that first one as we've now received responses and technically discovery is closed, so.
Okay.
Which brings us to the second motion, which is to adjourn the scheduling order. Liberty Mutual was added in June of this year, 2020. And I was not obviously a party then, so I don't know how it came to be that Liberty Mutual was added at such a late time, because this matter is set for trial June 10th, 2020.
Clearly, the scheduling order doesn't make any sense today since these dates are passed, and since I don't know when I can actually give you a trial date.
Yeah.
I'm not putting things on the calendar because I really don't know. I don't want to put my staff through the process of putting something on, taking it off, putting it back on, taking it off, until I know for sure that I can do civil jury trials. And I don't have any idea other than sometime next year when I'll be able to start scheduling jury trials. So I've got no problem with pushing off the dates. Mr. Corelli, do you have any objection?
No, I think it would help facilitate a settlement, Your Honor.
So we did go ahead, even though discovery was technically closed, issue our initial disclosures and issue initial discovery, and they now have responded. But that's part of the reason I didn't push the motion, because discovery was technically closed. And this is a UM claim, so.
How much time do you want to complete discovery?
We have not yet ordered any records because we just got the discovery responses yesterday, and I am finding it's taking a little longer to get records during COVID because I think a lot of people are working remotely and a lot of the hospital staff seems to be downsized. So 120 days, maybe a little
120
longer.
days? 120 is fine with me, Mr. Corelli?
Yeah, I agree. It's getting harder to get records, Your Honor.
Let's do it. If you could submit an order that shows discovery is extended until, so 120 days will put us to.
I think we asked for March 1st, which maybe is a little more than 120 days.
March 1st is fine with me.
That's fine.
And I'm not going to set any other pretrial or trial dates until I'm told that we can start scheduling jury trials. And then what I'm going to do is start scheduling them. I'm probably going to stack them up a little bit, which I never liked when I was practicing law.
Yeah.
Having trial dates and there's 4 other cases scheduled for the same day, but I'm going to have to do that in order to make sure people get as timely a trial as we can give them, given what we've been through.
Your Honor, is your court doing case evaluations remotely right now? Maybe that would help us if we could get that set.
I know we're doing case evaluations. I'm assuming they're remotely. George, do you know?
I think they are, but I think they're doing everything remotely is the note I got.
We're definitely scheduling them, so whether they're remotely or in person, my guess would be they're being done remotely, but, and, you know, I don't get very involved
Right.
in case evaluations anymore. I do know they're still taking place. Case eval would be scheduled after your discovery closes.
You want me to put it in the order for April 2021?
We do them every other month. And I can't remember, I think they're on the, well, I can't remember. I don't know.
Well,
Why don't you say case evaluation to be scheduled after close of discovery? When I get that order, I'll make sure you get on the calendar for case eval.
Okay.
Anything else I can help you with this morning?
I guess just, do you want me to include a date for a witness and exhibit list?
Are those, forgive me for not knowing what my own scheduling order says. But usually those are,
Sorry, go ahead, Your Honor.
they're usually tied to other dates. And I don't remember what other dates they're tied with.
Okay.
But if the two of you can agree as to what the witness lists and document exchange, I'm comfortable with whatever you can agree on. If you can't agree, let us know and we'll fix something for you.
I think what she had outlined in her motion is fine with me.
Let's do it.
We can even push it off. Well, I think I had December 15th, but that's pretty coming up. Want to push it off to like January?
Sure.
Yeah, it's not big. Okay.
Yeah, let's get past the holidays.
Yeah, January. How about January 18th? It's a Monday. I'll throw it in there. Okay.
Why not?
Works for me. All right. Thank you for your flexibility this morning, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You both have a good weekend.
All right. You as well.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, Shannon, you can take us off the record.